Join me today as I show you how to make these seductively delicious wings, not in the smoker, but in the air fryer. So good, you won't miss the smoke. Every good wing needs a good sauce. So I have this Cosmic Sweet Blaze hot sauce sent to me by Lunacy Q'ing, made with jalapenos, pineapple, onion, and some garlic. And because I'm being lazy today, I'm going to use these frozen wings from Costco. These wings come with some buffalo sauce and are actually really, really good. They come out perfect in the air fryer, so we're just going to use these today. Just get these guys opened up. Take these sauce packets, we're not going to use them, throw them to the side. Get our air fryer opened up. Dump a healthy portion of wings in. Some more of that sauce, get that crap out. Get some more wings in. Should be enough to get a nice taste. Gonna set our air fryer for the package directions. Just air fry 20 minutes at 390. And about every 2 or 3 minutes, I'll just open the drawer and give those a quick shake. Start by melting down about a couple tablespoons of some butter here. As soon as that's all melted, we're going to put some of our Cosmic Sweet Blaze hot sauce in. Going to start with about half the bottle here. We can always add more later. Give that a quick stir. Once everything comes together, we'll add one more ingredient, and that's just going to be some honey. All in all, I think I put about 3 to 4 tablespoons of honey in there. Mix the honey in. Little piece of butter wrapper. Get that out of there. Stir, stir, stir. You know how to stir things. All right, give that a quick taste. I could use the rest of the bottle, so then I'm just going to dump this in there. And we're just going to let this simmer for about 20 minutes. Thicken up and reduce down a bit. And occasionally I'll come in here and give it a stir. All right, back to our wings. Getting a nice toast on them in the air fryer there. Just kind of shake them around, throw them back in. I'm going to take a nice Mountain Dew break here. Can't be too hydrated. After about 5 minutes, reduce down quite a bit. Just going to get everything mixed together, make sure we're not sticking, then turn this off. Okay, let's go ahead and fill our jar back up with our sauce, and I'm going to grab my funnel that doesn't fit in the bottle. So on to plan B. Going to grab this other funnel here. That also doesn't fit in the jar. Great. Maybe I have something else. God damn it. You're gonna work. Fold and shove you right in there. There we go. Yeah. Don't fight me. This is professional work right here. Check on our wings real fast. Give them another shake. Now we're going to take our bigger funnel and funnel it into our smaller funnel. Smart. Just dump that in. But once we have about the bottle half filled, save the rest of it for our wings. And I'll bring you back whenever we pull the wings out. All right, they were in there about 17 minutes. Those are cooked beautifully. Go ahead and get these into a bowl to toss our sauce and get this shut off. Goodbye. Okay, dump our sauce on our wings here. Well, that's not enough sauce that I left out. So let me go grab that bottle of some sauce and dump that in. Yeah, that's a good amount of sauce. Give that a quick mix. Look at that tossing action. Believe it or not, I have never worked at a wing shop before. Yeah, I don't think they would hire me. This is pathetic. Anyway, dump those into my serving dish here. It's the only one I have, so you see a lot of it. Here's what they look like after they've been sauced. Looking at my watch. There you can see why I keep looking at my watch, because I can see what my camera sees on my watch. All right, give these wings a try. These wings were absolutely delicious. Great sauce. I'll put a link in the description to Lunacy's channel and where you can buy this sauce. It's really good. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe if you're new here. Don't forget to leave a comment. Hope to see you in the next video. Be sure to check out this other amazing video.